Why? Take action is really important. Implementing is really so important. Are you getting? It is as simple as that. Action. If you are taking action with dreaming, with imagination, that you think, I want to achieve that, no matter what. I really didn't care about it. I really want to do that. I only know only one thing. I have to give action and action, efforts, hard work, dedication, obsession. And if you do that, definitely you love the process. Yeah. Some people don't like, bro, I don't like hard work. I don't like step things. I want getting fast. No, you cannot take so fast. It is really difficult to get things so fast. Nobody can do that. If you thought, I can do everything so fast. I want to achieve success so fast. Really? You want success so fast? What about those people who take 10 years, 20 years to be successful and you're saying, I will become so rich after 2 days. Are you crazy? Are you crazy, bro? What are you saying that? It does not work like that. If you're saying, I will achieve success in 10 years, in 15 years, then it is practical. And if you are talking about fast success, it is maybe by luck chance. But fast success build ego. So don't grab ego. You know nothing. Then why you are try to carry ego? Put them aside and focus on learning. Learning is really important for you. If you learn stuffs and then implement them. Remember, learning isn't full, isn't enough. Learning with action, that's are important. And learning with action plus consistency, that's our burden for. So try to do every single day. And when you do that, definitely you see the results. You will be getting the results. First, don't focus on the result. First, focus on the input. First, give input, then think about outputs. First, enjoy the input. When you enjoy the input you are getting or not, you will increase your level. How? You try to learn English. Take an example. You are trying to learn English. When you thought, I couldn't learn now. I'm giving effort since when I was 16 and I couldn't learn it. Now I'm 16 and a half. Really? It is only 5 months. Give more time. And I know you didn't work hard so effectively. You just go, listen, okay, I understand. You never speak it. Because what? Why the reason behind it? Because you are loser. You have lack of confidence. That's why you didn't learn it. That's are the main reason. First, don't take confidence. You don't need to take confidence. Confidence needs to be confident, bro. Don't think like that, bro. Say like that. Confidence made me. I don't need confidence. That's the mentality. It is all about mentality. How you shape your life. That's the really important. Understood? When you are taking action, you fail. You will fail. And that's as simple as that. If you're trying something new and you get failure, then It is good for you. That means you are trying something. And don't make yourself loser. Don't think like that. You are in a learning process. And if you learn, don't think about it. That's really important. If you just think about it, what the heck? I didn't learn anything. How I can do that? It is really so difficult. I could never do this. It is really so difficult. Yeah, it is difficult. That's why not everyone can do. Learning English is important. Everyone knows that. I don't say, bro, bro, we should use our mother tongue. Yes, I agree with you. I agree with you. But in some case, you have to learn because company wants a person who speaks English because they are dealing with foreigners. They are dealing in another country. Dealing. That's why you should learn English. And don't give any excuses. Oh, we should take care of our mother tongue, bro. We are Indian, bro. Ah, okay, I understood. First take it. First learn it. After that you can say English doesn't matter. First learn. First learn it. Then you have rights to say English doesn't matter. Really? Doesn't matter? Yes. Then you can say English doesn't matter. But now you cannot say it. And that's the reality. Reality, bro. Reality. Try to understand this. It is as simple as that. Take action as much as you can. Fail again and again as much as you can. Because when you increase your failure rate, you also increase your success rate. Because by any chance, when you succeed, nobody knows. But if you are if you have a plan, you are going with systematic process, then you are guaranteed you will be successful. That's as simple as that. Understood? Take action. Start taking action. Don't think about